like half a years ago, my boyfriend, he broke up with me, and also the reason why that he broke up with me is because he think that I am too fat. Yeah, that is the truth. Okay, so everybody, please look at me before. This is me. I look like this before. Okay, and then he's the one who always go to the gym, and then I'm the one who always tend to be lying on my bed and eating some snack and browse my phone, browse TikTok, and he always told me, hey Justina, you need to go to the gym. It's not only about your shape, it's also about your your daily, about your health, about your daily diet. You need to become have a healthy lifestyle, and I always be like, I just want to lie on my bed and watching those movies, browsing my phone. I think that is really fun, and also eating my snack, right? And then one day, my boyfriend, he cannot stand me anymore. So he broke up with me, and I was so regret. But look at me right now. Right? Because when he broke up with me, I spent 1 month to think about what he's talking about before. I think, okay, really, I should have to change myself. Like, really, I need to makes myself become better in the future. So after 1 month, I started to go to the gym, but I quit. Like after 1 month, I quit. Why? Because I think that is really hard for me to keep going to the gym because I don't have money for the coach. Right, I don't have the money for the coach. The coach spends really expensive in here, so I don't have the money. And then because I don't have the coach, so I don't have the motivation to go to the gym. It's really hard for me to go to the gym. So and then one day I choose to go to the beauty bar because the beautician told me is that okay, maybe you can try the body cavitation machine. Okay, when you are going to the gym, in the meanwhile you can try their body cavitation machine. So at the first time I just okay, yes, I can try. Why not? I just spent 2 weeks to try it, and then I still didn't result it. Okay, so I was like, oh my god, I'm so surprised about that. And then I keep going to the beauty bar, I keep going to the gym, and voila, this is me right now. Okay, so this is the body cavitation machine that he used on me. Okay, so first, this is the 40K ultrasound cavitation handle. It can help you to localize clustering the fat cells, reduce the fat percentage, reduce the fat cell weight, and also we have the vacuum machine. Okay, the vacuum handle. Vacuum handle is the one that helps you to do the drainage, on your body, and makes you to do the well detoxing and also build up the body curves because this one they got the suction, so you can shrink your waistline, make you look slim. The radio frequency, this one it can help you to tighten the skin and also reduce the stretch mark. Okay, so for this machine, the ultrasound cavitation can help you to reduce the fat percentage, and RF help you to tighten the skin, and also the vacuum help you to build up the body curves. Okay, so I love this machine so much. So I wish every girl can achieve the better version of herself, and no matter your body shape or the really inside, the healthy daily life. Love you girls!